Okay, for 21, we have the sum of the angles in the triangle is 180. We're given that one angle is 40 degrees greater than the smallest. The third angle is 20 degrees more than double the smallest. Okay, so for this, we have to come up with some algebraic expressions first, and then we're going to add those three together and set it equal to 180. So let's first start with the first angle. Okay, so first angle, I'm just going to call that one x, and we'll just say that that's the smallest angle. So the first angle we'll just say is the smallest angle. Second angle, it says that this angle, one angle is 40 degrees greater than the smallest. Okay, so 40 degrees greater means it would just be this, x plus 40. The third angle, it says, is got to be 20 degrees more than double the smallest. Okay, so double the smallest is 2x, and we're going to add 20 degrees to that. So there's our three different expressions. X, x plus 40, and 2x plus 20. If I add all those together, it's going to add up to 180. So I have x plus 40 plus 2x plus 20. That's got to equal 180. So again, I'm just adding all three of those expressions together. Okay, so if I add that together, notice again, I have to use all three angles, not just one of these expressions. I need to make sure I add all three together, because that's what it's saying. The sum of all three angles in a triangle adds up to 180, so that's why you need to have all those in there. Now it's just algebra to solve it. I have x, x, and 2x, 4x, those are my like terms. 40 plus 20 is 60. So I have 4x plus 60 equals 180. Now I'm just going to subtract 60 from both sides, and I get 4x is equal to, when I subtract that, I'm going to get 120 left over. I need to divide both sides by 4. So when I divide it by 4, I get that my x is equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is what I'm going to put right here. That's the first one, because I said the first one represents x. Now, if I add 40 to that, I'll be able to find the second angle. So 30, if I just put it in this expression here, put 30 in here, 30 plus 40 is 70. If I put 30 in the bottom one, 2 times 30 is 60, plus 20 is 80. Okay, so notice if I add all three of these together, 30, 70, and 80, all that does in fact add up to 180 degrees, which is what it should, because that's how we set it up.